Hello everyone, this is Professor Govind. Let us start today with this new module of e-commerce, and in this video we will discuss about basics of e-commerce. So let's understand first what e-commerce means. E-commerce can be defined as buying and selling of information, products and services over computer communication networks. In other words, internet or any other computer network. E-commerce is the delivery of information, products, services or payments via telephone lines, networks or any other means. E-commerce is the activity of purchasing or selling anything with the help of internet, which is a high-speed service. Internet is a high-speed service. So using internet, organizations can reach consumers and consumers can reach organizations. E-commerce is the application of technology towards the automation of business transactions and workflows. E-commerce has helped organizations as well as consumers in utilizing computer technology for having their routine transactions. It has helped organizations or businesses in converting their traditional business transactions into the modern or the advanced technological transactions. Businesses now can have all these transactions, all their routine or traditional transactions by using computers and by using computer networks, which is by far the most easiest method or by far the most easiest way to have the transactions. E-commerce is a tool that addresses the desire of firms, consumers and management to cut service costs while improving the quality of goods and increasing the speed of service delivery. Now this is one of the major advantage of having e-commerce, which will reduce the service cost and which will reduce the price of a product or a service for consumers as well. And service cost or the price will be reduced, and at the other end, quality of the product delivery, quality of the information or quality of the other transactions are increased. E-commerce provides the capability of buying and selling products and information on the internet and other online services. Now this is what is e-commerce, as we all know, where products or services are available online and we can access it anytime we wish and from any corner of any part of the world. Now these are the common instruments which are used to exchange or interchange information between trading partners. Telephone or cell phones, fax machines, televisions, e-payments, electronic money transfer system, EDI and internet. These are the common terms, these are the common instruments through which trading partners, organizations and customers, etc., they exchange information. They can exchange information by using any of these tools. Generally they go with online tools to exchange information, but we have the provision as an e-commerce user, as an e-commerce owner, we can have any of these tools to exchange or to interchange information between partners. Let's now talk about need of e-commerce. Why e-commerce is required for business firms as well as for customers. Heart of every business activity is the information that is being transferred. Now, the major part of business activity is transferring or interchanging the information. And e-commerce helps to transfer and process information in the quickest way possible and with the easiest means. So e-commerce is also about exchanging information. It is not only about buying or selling goods. With e-commerce, businesses and consumers can exchange information. So e-commerce helps in exchanging information with the easiest means available in the world. E-commerce refers to the paperless exchange of business information that reduces time and hard copy documentation system. Because with any of the transactions using e-commerce, data will be available online and we can access it anytime. So there is no question of having hard copy documentation system, but of course if required we can have a hard copy information as well, or otherwise data will be available online anytime, both for the consumers and for the business firms. Now some of the products of e-commerce, something called EDI, electronic data interchange, which is used to exchange or interchange data between partners. Email is a part of e-commerce. E-bulletin boards, electronic fund transfers, etc. These are some of the examples, some of the products of this umbrella called e-commerce, this service called e-commerce. E-commerce has speeded up the information processing and broadcasting with the help of high-speed computers connected by reliable networks. Now, as we have already discussed, e-commerce has speeded up the information processing as well as the speed of information interchange, as it is dependent on internet, which is a high-speed network. This has helped in finding and interacting with customers and communicating with trading partners and developing new products and markets more efficiently. So this is about need of e-commerce. This is why e-commerce is required. Apart from all these points that we have mentioned in the PPT, e-commerce also helps in understanding the products or the services better, as the specification is available online anytime, and e-commerce is one of the effective way to convey information or to convey messages to the consumers as well as to the business or trading partners. Because of all these reasons, nowadays most of the business firms as well as the consumers prefer using e-commerce rather than the traditional commerce. So this is it for this video. Thank you everyone.